Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve inequalities. Okay. So how do we solve inequality? If we are trying to solve an inequality with only one unknown, we can solve this in a similar way for solving a simple equation. Again, if we are trying to solve an inequality with only one unknown, we can solve this in a similar way like we solve equations. And this, then we could represent it on a number line as well. Okay. Solving inequalities. Okay. For example, let's suppose the equation is this is the equation and this is the inequality. Okay, what is the equation? The equation is 3x plus 7 is equal to 28. 3x plus 7 is equal to 28. And what is the inequality? 3x plus 7 is less than equal to 28. Okay, now let's solve them. Let's solve the equation first. 3x is equal to 28 minus 7. 3x is equal to 21 and x is equal to 7. How will I represent it on a number line? On a number line, simple, I will draw a number line. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So I will put a dot on 7. So this is how I will represent it on a number line. And in the case of the inequality, how do we solve the inequality? We solve the inequality just like the equation. Just like we solve the equation. So 3x is less than equal to 21. X is less than equal to 7. So let's draw the number line. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So this is how it will be represented on the number line. X is less than equal to 7, or you can draw it like this. X is less than equal to 7. Okay. So let's move on to some practice questions. Okay, solve these inequalities and represent them on a number line. Now the first one is 5x plus 1 is greater than 6. Okay, 5x is greater than 6 minus 1. 5x is greater than 5. X is greater than 1. How do I represent it on a number line? 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is greater than 1. So this, it will be a circle. It will not be shaded. The circle will not be shaded because we don't have equal to. So x is greater than 1. So we basically will just put a dot. X is greater than 1. So this is how it is represented on a number line. Let's have a look at another example. Question number 2. X minus 3 is less than 10. So x is less than 10 plus 3. X is less than 13. So on the number line, 10, 12, 11, 12, 13, 9. So this is x is less than 13. Okay, let's have a look at another example. X plus 4 over 3 is greater than minus 2. Okay, so we will solve it just like the equation. So we will do cross multiplication. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. So x is greater than minus 6 minus 4. And x is greater than minus 10. So on the number line, how are we going to represent it? minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8. So x is greater than minus 12, minus 10. So it will be like this. Okay, x is greater than minus 10. So this is how we solve inequalities and we draw the number lines. I hope you understood it and practice with more questions, and see you in the next video.